Hi guys, today we will be talking about a very important topic, that is first aid box in your house. It is an important thing that you should have in your house. It is the first thing that you apply and the medicines you use when you have an injury in your house. So it is a must. Today I will tell you about all the contents that should be present in your home in your first aid box. So let's start with the machinery. Machinery means with the gadgets. The first and the most important gadget is the thermometer. It helps you to measure your temperature, to know exactly how much temperature do you have. Nowadays it is very easy to use at home. This is a digital thermometer and it is very easy and simple to use as compared to the mercury ones. So you can have it. It has a button. It has a button and you just have to press it and it's on. And then you have to put it in the axilla, the armpit. Axilla is called the armpit, and it will tell you when the temperature is taken. It will make a sound and then you can check. There are digits written over it, so you do not have to worry about reading the mercury anymore. Okay, so it is a very important thing to have. Next thing is the blood pressure machine. So manual blood pressure machine is a technique you have to learn, and it is not that simple so that everyone can learn. So it also has a digital one. See, you have to just press a button. This is a cuff. You have to wrap it around the arm, and then you have to press start the button. It will record the blood pressure and it will be written over here. Okay, in case a very high blood pressure and a very low blood pressure, these two are the emergencies, medical emergencies. So you should know the person you are treating or the person who is ill in your house at that time, what that person has. Okay, it is easy for you to tell the doctor afterwards. Next thing is the wounds. Okay, the first thing is the cotton bud. This is a cotton roll. You should have it when there is a wound, an injury, a small injury or cut. You should wash it first, okay, with water. And then you have to clean it with the cotton and some Cypret. Or there are alcohol swabs available in the market that are easy to use. You just have to open it and rub it on your wound. It stings a bit, but it cleans the wound. Then there are the dressings. There are two types of dressings that you use on your wound. The first dressing. It is a normal dressing that you have a wound, a slightly big wound, and then you place it on it. Okay, with a sticking. We call it sticking, the tape, the paper tape that we use. Okay, the next thing. This is the second wound dressing. This is for surgical wounds, like you have stitches and everything and you want to protect them from water, so you can place this on that. Okay, there is another thing you should have in your house is the crepe bandage. It looks like this. It has a safety pin in it. See, you have to just open it, wrap around, and then close it with the safety pin they have given it. Okay, why is this used? Now I will tell you. The reason it is used when you have a twisted ankle or there is a pain in your hand that is not bearable. Okay, if you have a twisted ankle, you just wrap it around your ankle, but do not wrap it too harshly. Okay, we do not have to constrict the veins and everything like that. Lightly you have to wrap it around your ankle and then secure it with the safety pin. Okay, and then go see a doctor. Okay, so these are all about the dressing. Next category would be the medicines. The first medicine that you should have is about the painkillers, right? But you should first ask a doctor about it. You cannot go like, I'm feeling this and I will have this medicine, because medicines have side effects, medicines have reactions, and they are not very good. Okay, so you should be careful while eating or taking any medicine. Okay, this is an ointment. This is a skin ointment, and It is used for the wounds that are small, and you can just take a small bit of it and apply it on your wound, okay, when your wounds are small. This is the painkiller that I use here, but you have to ask your doctor for that, okay. There should be prescribed medicines. The next one would be the ORS. This is really important. People do not understand that how important it is in diarrhea when you have loose motion and vomiting, especially loose motion, and diarrhea always include vomiting also. So this is the main ingredient that you have to use more than the medicine, okay. So this has all these nutrients that are lost in your motion. It has all the nutrients and all the electrolytes that are lost during vomiting and during diarrhea or motion, okay. In children also, you have to make this. Boil a 1 liter bottle of water, then cool it down, and then pour the whole sachet in it, and then drink it. If you do not have ORS in your home and you have a diarrhea, or your children have a diarrhea, your child have a diarrhea, you can make it at home by boiling of water, adding salt, a pinch of salt and sugar in it, and you can add a little drop of lemon in it to enhance the taste, okay. So it is really important, especially in children. Diarrhea is the most important, most crucial cause of death in children. So to avoid that, ORS is the key, okay. Either you make it at home or you should have this at your home, okay. Is a one more sachet that I have. It is a cranberry natural extract. It is used when you have a UTI. What is a UTI? UTI is urinary tract infection. If you have a burning sensation while peeing, this is the solution. You have to add it in a water and drink it, okay, along with the medicine that doctor will give you. These are the things that I have mentioned. These are all the first aid. First aid means the things that you use initially so that you would be able to go to the hospital. You would be normal enough to go to the hospital, okay. So these are the most important things that you should have in your home, in your first aid box. But keep it in mind that children should not be able to reach them. There are medicines and there are other things. It has all the medicines and everything, and children should not be able to reach them, okay. So with the advancement of the technology and everything, it is very easy nowadays to have a first aid box. The most important thing is the blood pressure machine. There is also one more gadget, that is pulse oximeter, that is used to measure the oxygen saturation in your blood. During the COVID, it was a really important gadget to have. If you have, well and good. It is not necessary per se, but if you have elderly in your home and they are sick, they have some respiratory problem like lung problem, they have cough, continuous cough, or they have asthma problems and COPD type problems, then you can have that pulse oximeter. So these are the most essential things, are the things you should have in your home to help you cope with the emergencies that you have in your home, okay. So thank you so much for watching. If there are any questions, then ask me, and do not use any medicine without prescription. It is not safe. A lot of allergic reactions, and there are a lot of side effects that you can face. So please use prescribed medications, right? And these are the things that are the most important and essential if you want to have in your home. And if you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe and like this video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.